Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a Lamborghini Huracan. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Make sure your Huracan is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Having all your tools and the correct type and amount of new oil ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. You'll find two drain plugs on the Huracan's engine oil pan. Carefully remove them and let the old oil flow into your drain pan. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once drained, clean the plugs and install new crush washers to ensure a tight, leak-free seal when you put them back in. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the oil filter housing and carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with your wrench. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and capacity, typically around 10 to 11 liters. Pour it in slowly through the filler cap. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off, wait a moment and check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring there are no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.